To have what you hold dear swept away in front of your eyes. This is a story of a town in the aftermath of a flood, which has not only taken away homes, but the lives of 18 people. A river that is a source of food through farming, fun where people have leisure, now remembered as one that took away. Took away all those memories paused in the photographs, all those dreams, not forgetting all the hard work. This is the cruelty of reality. Plants that one has been caring for years now cut down in effort to clean what has been left. The roads were flipped by the strong current of the river. All that is left is chaos within a beautiful jam. Here you see loss, abandonment, and no hope. Despite the challenges, nature always thrives, and we humans are part of that nature.
They're so close to the river. 多分 Let's go. みんな大丈夫? Oh, hi. I meant みんな多分
Here also a lot of work to do. Oh my god.
Sad. Oh, they said we could throw them away. Yeah.
We thrive when we help each other, despite the pandemic, race, or language. It makes me think of how life is always filled with challenges and how it can be overwhelming. However, when we choose to keep going, we will thrive. We will thrive and see the beauty that lies beyond the end of the tunnel.